Okay, to repair the steering, you're going to remove the 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 and 6. Alrighty, I've already removed most of the screws to make a little video a little bit quicker. Remove the back plate. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that you have to remove. I've already removed 3 of them, make it easier. Remove the trigger by just lifting. Set that aside. The retainer, just lift and just kind of put it aside. This is the tricky part. The springs, just lift and then push. That should come right up. Flip back. You'll have 2 more screws here and here. Move them. This is a flathead, so don't lose it. And then, of course, lift, move out of the way. And then you have 3 more screws holding the steering pod. There's 1, 2, and 3. I've removed 2 of them. And that's the 3rd. Flip it over. And then your steering. Lift and push. And there you are. This will be the part that's busted. This piece will be broken and it'll be embedded inside the potentiometer. So just take something small and flat and push it out.